Hello guys, so welcome back to another video. Okay, so in this video we'll be basically reviewing the trades that happened on Friday 6th June 2025 and 5th June 2025. Okay, so basically yesterday was a good day actually. Okay, so please moving to the charts. You see, it is a 1 hour chart you are seeing. I will show you the daily. Daily, we are in a bull run. Okay, so basically, it is taking all the buy sides everywhere it is going. It's not, giving a reversal or just going to sell side. Okay, you have this small fair value gap here. This one got filled in. Weekly, you have this fair value gap. Okay, so uh, going to 1 hour chart. Okay, so you can see this. Uh, I'm talking about extra days. Okay, so there are trades here, but I'm not gonna explain that because I had an accident. Okay, so basically I'm somewhat injured. Okay, so actually what you're looking at is a now you are looking at is a 1 hour chart. I had marks or some markings. Okay, so you have this sell side here. You have this on 4 hour. If you see this rejection after taking this uh, buy side liquidities because these got uh, there is no proper closing above these highs. Okay, so the market tends to reject from this highs. Okay, so too many orders executed or something like that. It causes the market to give on a structure shift here. Uh, uh, And there is your first structure shift. Okay, and going on with it, the new day when the new day starts, you had this gap, 1 hour gap, and here is our midnight opening. This green candle. Okay, directly went to this 1 minute fair value gap, and I have this sell side marked on my chart. Okay, so basically I didn't just took the entry when it goes. If you just uh, check closely, this candle also tapped into this fair value gap. Okay, so basically I didn't bothered about that candle. Okay, so I will just open another tab. Okay, so it would be easy for me to show you. So in uh, this is GU and this is EU. Okay, so EU have the same fair value gap here. That midnight open price is here. It kind of uh, mitigated its okay. So basically, what I want that is going. We will see. Okay, going to a small time frame. Okay, I want you to have a closer look at this portion. Okay, this portion. So this is that 1 hour fair value gap and 1 hour fair value gap. Same here, going to 1 minute. Sorry, here, okay, so going to 1 minute. Let's check the timings, okay. So you have this 11 54 high here, and these highs, okay, 1250 highs there, okay. Basically, what I was doing is when this mitigated and just when below, I just wanted to take out this low, okay. If it took out this low, I could have ended from somewhere over here, but it was just accumulating in this area. From this side to this low, it doesn't even block any highs or lows. This low and this high, okay. So it was accumulating here. So yesterday, what I wanted is to, we are in a My bias for yesterday was sell side, bearish. Okay, so basically I want this high to take out, create a structure shift. You got that here, and enter from many of the fair value gaps or IF which is okay. So basically this high that is 1154 high and 1250. It created an SMT that is GU was not able to, sorry, EU was not able to take over this high and create a structure shift, but GU was able to take out this high and able to give us a structure shift here. Okay, so that makes an SMT. Wait, SMT. Respect to JVP. Okay, so when it created these kinds of structure, there are three confirmations here for me to take this trade. Okay, so it is in PDRA. Okay, so that's a very good. And there you have an XMT with the respective EU, and you have another structure shift, a proper closing above this low, and you have this IFVG, you have this IFVG, and you have this fair value of this one. So basically, where you should take it, you just measure this from this high to this low. You see these points here, right? So basically, and but anyways, even though if you have any fair value gaps or order books or something at this area, these levels, you can took an entry from there. Or else you can take any entries above this 50 percentage level. That is a premium area. So any area above this is a premium and any above below this is a discount. Okay. So basically what I did was yesterday I think I entered from somewhere over here, this area, okay, or I don't know, around here, okay, somewhere. This gap over this somewhere. I'll show you in the chart, don't worry. Similarly here. But it doesn't record this high, but it gives a what gives you this structure shift and with a good gap. So yesterday I just entered a small quantity from here and yeah, my normal quantity in G. Okay, so entered from here, but I am really innocent, guys. So I just aimed for just two or somewhere here. I just exited. Okay, but my sell side was actually here. So that was the trade. Okay. I'll show you. If you could just enter from this imbalance, small imbalance, or this fair value is enough. Okay, actually, I entered from somewhere which gives. I just my stop loss was just about 25 pips. Okay, somewhere like this. Yeah, my stop loss was just 25 pips, and I just aimed for 2.5 or something like that. This relative equal loss, I think. This loss here. Okay. I was too innocent to at least I could have get my view was fucking correct, okay, perfect, perfect. You could have easily get 13 hour from there. 13.5 hour. I missed the straight, okay. Everything happens for a reason, I think. Oh shit, man, every time. Hmm. Okay, this was a trade actually. I think you got to understand something from this video. And one more confirmation, it is above midnight opening price. Okay, so the entry that we have got is a high probable one extra day. Okay, extra day was a good day. Like, so after that, and we are again. I just did some many from here in the last video. We are here. Okay, we just many emotional shits, bro. And extra day with the Geo, we are back again. And actually, I took one shit trade on gold and Yeah, just below $72, something like that. No problem, we will get it. Okay, don't worry. So that was a trade. Mm, and I think there was one more trade. I think there was one. The cities were very good. Which happened? Let's see. I don't know. I haven't looked at it. Okay. No, no. If you take any orders from this area, it could got triggered by actually there was a news. Okay, so it could anyways get triggered. Okay, so that's the reason I just only traded in this morning section. Okay, so that's another reason. I traded and I didn't look the charts at the evening. Okay, so I don't see anything. With respect to gold, yesterday so moving to gold. Uh, you have the sell side here. You have this is a daily. Okay, it's a daily fair value gap. Below this is this low. You have this low 4 hour low and this daily fair value gap. Next day, price got rejected from this after taking this high. There was no proper causing for a structure shift in 4 hour. Then structure shift in 4 hour for a downside move with a fair value gap. This fair value gap, the body, wait. The body is perfectly closed below, like inside this fair value gap. Okay, it is being respected. So I didn't get a trade somewhere anywhere there. So going to 1 hour. So in case my goal was to take a trade for what do you say bullish side. Okay, but I thought this 1 hour fair value gap would give some reaction, but it doesn't give. So I was all downside for extended, but I didn't take this trade actually. Okay, but I will just explain it. So that is here. Okay, so it, they created a bullish FEG, but got invest by this candle. And again, it created one fair value gap here, 15 minutes. You have the short time high taken, structure shift here, going to 5 minutes chart. Same thing is okay. You have this short time high. That's 1 hour fair value gap tapped and even a structure shift here at this low. And if you just take, you have this fair value gap. You have this IFVG. Mm. You have this bullish order block. Okay, sorry, bearish order block. Okay, so high. This is also, but consider this one as the order block. So basically, if you just measure the measure this from the displacement from this high to this low, you could actually see the points here. Okay, 0.69 to 0.72. Okay, so basically, if you you have this IFVG, you would either take a trade from here. So 5 minutes is fine. Okay, so making this a stop loss and the low that mentioned does target. Okay. This could be this really could be your first target. This low could be your second target, and the low I mentioned here could be your third target, and you could just trial when it came here. You could get around 10 hours from this trade. I think you understand this trade somewhere around 10 hours. You could easily find because this candle was going. all the way down. Okay, so basically that was the trade. Okay, so I think you got some idea. So, and one more thing, you could also take this fair value gap. If you're taking this fair value gap, you should place your stop loss here, okay? Because we have this IFEG and these levels above this gap, okay? I think you got something from this video. Uh, See you on the next video, okay? So, basically, uh, that was the trade, okay? So, yeah, good day, good shits. Uh, yeah, okay, so I think we'll see you in another video. Okay, so bye.